Hi guys, if you want to make your four-legged friends super happy, check out Beneful. And this is the incredible bites for small dogs. You wait till you see how much my dogs absolutely love this. This has natural ingredients and it'll get your dogs excited about eating. If your dogs are finicky like mine are, this is going to do the trick. It's Purina Beneful and it's small, easy, digestible, and it's kind of like a tuna fish consistency, which I'll show you. It's great tasting. Well, at least that's what my dog said. They absolutely love it. And the tails are wagging and they're so excited. And I mix it with dry food, but you could just give it to them without dry food. It's all up to you. It's high protein and it offers, like I said, this one's for small breeds. Purina has different sizes for all dogs, but if your dog is finicky, Purina Beneful, incredible bites. And plus, you want to take care of your dogs. You want to give them something healthy. You want to give them something with real food in it. So, I love to see my dogs happy, and this does the trick. Chicken, bacon, steak, whatever, they like it all, right? So, Beneful, check it out.